Yo, what is going on, everybody? Welcome back to another video. Man, it's been a crazy week. I did something new to the car and I had a vlog ready for you guys, and I'm stupid. I ended up deleting the original files before I had exported my movie, and I corrupted my files. So yeah, you guys will never see that footage, unfortunately. Pretty bummed about it, but you know what? I'm just gonna stay positive and just go ahead and shoot another vlog on what I did. So hopefully you guys stay tuned throughout this whole video. But basically, I modded the car for more power. I'm gonna let you guys know what that is in a little bit. But yeah, it sucks when you lose footage, all that editing, all the time it takes to make these vlogs, and it just in an instant is gone. So I'm pretty bummed about that, but yeah, you know, found some time. Gonna meet up with two friends that are coming through today. You guys will see their cars in a minute. Yeah, they're gonna come through. I got somebody actually coming through to pick up my original M Performance lip. Waiting for the guy right now. He's also got an Austin Yellow M4. Looks pretty cool. Never met the guy. He's driving 6 hours out this way. He's making a trip out of it, but he's swinging by to pick up the lip, and pretty excited to see his car. So hopefully we can get a little insight on what he did to his, but cannot wait. I love meeting up with other Austin Yellow and, you know, M3s or M4s, I don't care. The color looks sick, and I'm always excited to see one because I never see one in my neighborhood. So really excited. Hopefully you guys enjoyed today's video. Stay tuned.
Yeah.
Holy
6 hour
cow.
drive, bro. 6 hour drive. And I didn't.
Way.
So I was gonna order another M Performance lift because my carbon one got destroyed on the highway.
Oh,
And,
no. So you had the carbon version of that?
I did, yeah. I had the
Okay.
carbon version. And then it cracked. And then they're on back order right now for like 3-4 months.
Oh, no way.
Yeah. So I didn't want to wait. So I was like, I'm just gonna drive to California.
Damn.
Dang, that's crazy.
Yeah, I brought my girl too and my son.
Okay.
Yeah, maybe
I'm
you
still
guys.
waiting for my buddies to pull up right now.
Oh yeah.
You
Dude.
know how it is. They're always late.
Cali car scene is insane here. I was cruising on the highway, bro. I think I had maybe like 30 cars trying to race me on the way. Bro. It was nuts.
Yeah, it's like
That's how
that.
it is, bro. That's how it is.
Hi.
Say hi, sis.
Hi.
Look, we're
What's going on,
both wearing
dude?
our
How you
clocks.
She had them in sport mode.
Is that thing for YouTube?
Mhm.
Yeah.
Are you using it for YouTube right now?
Yeah.
Yeah.
For YouTube. He loves being on YouTube.
He does?
Yeah.
You do? Do you want to say hi?
Say hi.
Can I put you on? Yeah?
Uh-huh.
Say hi.
Hi.
What's your name?
Huh?
What's your name?
I'm Ethan.
Nice to meet you. So many people are gonna watch you.
Yeah.
You excited?
Be careful, you might become famous.
There's gonna be like 10 people watching this.
No.
Hold
Yeah,
it steady.
he's gonna put it.
Yeah, they're gonna put it on YouTube. Yeah, record the cars.
Hey. So this is our car. So this is the BMW.
Babe, he wants to tell you something.
What's going on, dude?
So my dog car is actually fast.
I know.
No,
It
he
sounds
said,
fast.
He said my daddy has an M4 and yours is an M3, so mine is faster.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
I did not say
He
that.
got it on video. He got it on
We got it on video. You
Yeah.
can't take it back.
His face, his eyes were like.
Did I actually say that? If I did, make sure.
Ethan, you know they have the same motor and everything.
I'm gonna
Ethan.
rewind it.
Oh, yeah, but I know that I was fast.
You never know, Ethan.
Because you can tell by the wings.
Wingman.
This is Carlos.
How you doing, man? Carlos.
Say hi to the camera.
Yeah, bro. It's a little trick that my friend shot, dude.
Dude, that's nuts.
Yeah, so anytime you have little cracks,
So,
you just spray them.
When you put WD-40 on like the cracks on the carbon, it like, I don't know what it does, but it just fucking makes, look,
It hides
look
it.
at this, look, it just hides
Wait,
it.
let's see. Hold on.
Look, see how there's a crack right there?
Uh-huh.
Like you just as long as you get it in there, it'll like absorb it and it'll start to hide
And
it.
it's gone.
What black magic is that?
I know. What the hell is that?
Like, now you
Doesn't
got
eat.
I started doing my roof
The whole
too.
car?
Doing my roof and my wing. Brand new. And I'm no.
See, you made his drive worth it.
There you go.
You did, huh?
Sheesh. Let's go, my boy Idris. Look at that color though. What up? Damn. Never see this color, yo. Individual boy. Got them ceramics. We about to put on Carlos's lip right now.
You just win, bro.
What's up? What's up? Oh, Gucci. You did a damn good job on this. Hell yeah. So we got the M-Performance lip on Carlos's car. Yeah. It's a big difference, dude. That's crazy.
It is, bro.
Nah, it looks really good. He's got the side skirts. Full arrow on the bottom now. Looks really good. So he had cracked his carbon fiber one, M-Performance lip. So it came through. Got this one from me. Woo. So before Carlos came through, I ended up washing my car. Quick little wash. I didn't really wash the wheels, which I probably should, but it's too hot. Didn't really care. Just wanted to make sure the car looked clean for the shots. Looks good having two Austin yellows though. Never see this color around here. We just had to, you guys. We had to refilm this intro. Damn. Sheesh. Hell yeah. So I'm gonna have Carlos tell us a little bit about his car, because this car sounds nasty, bro. Yee! Francis. Same time. Oh yeah. We're gonna check out Francis' car too. All right, bro. That long road trip.
That long 6-hour drive from Mason.
I know. All right, man. Yeah, let me know what you did, because you know I got to do the same thing.
So it's a 2015 Austin yellow, like yours.
Yes.
Just full bolt-ons, BMS intakes, VRS up downpipes, and full AWE exhaust.
Okay.
And with the M-Performance Haas kit.
Okay.
Kit, and then
Yeah, it looks really good.
yeah, I appreciate that, bro. Got the M-Performance side splitters. Did the Vorsteiner rear diffuser.
Okay.
On the back.
Authentic.
Authentic Vorsteiner.
Yeah, rich.
I wish. It was a pretty penny though.
Yeah, no,
Did
it
the
looks good.
APR GTC wing.
Yes, that looks beautiful, man.
Yeah, big wing gang, you know?
Yup.
Nice and sturdy, bro. Doesn't go anywhere.
Hell yeah.
And did the rear taillight mod, just the newer ones.
Okay.
And other than that, I mean, that's pretty much it. I do have the factory M-Performance steering wheel with the shift plates.
Okay. Oh man, that's killer, dude.
Yeah, so that's all factory right there. It's just like all the carbon trimming everywhere, the Alcantara,
Beautiful.
tri-stitch.
Yeah, low-key I need to do that just so I don't keep dirtying my own, because I have the white one.
Dude, you'd be surprised. It still gets super
Yeah?
dirty, man. Yeah, like it still gets super dirty all the time.
Damn.
But I just sold Alcantara shift boot yesterday.
Oh, okay. So
Yeah,
you got the OE one back in. And what paddle
fiber.
shifters?
They're just carbon, bro. I got them from I think it was Horizon.
Oh, okay.
Horizon Motorsports.
And they just clip right on, huh?
Yeah, it's actually just like double-sided sticky tape, bro. The
Oh,
little
that's-
cheap ones, you know, but it looks good.
That's pretty
difference.
sick. Yeah, I think I actually like that a lot.
Yeah,
And it
recommend.
hasn't given you issues on the bottom end?
Nothing, bro. Like they're super sturdy.
Okay.
Like I think the real paddles will break off before those.
Oh, sick.
Um,
and you're liking the steering wheel?
Love it, bro. I need to get it refinished just because I mean see some miles, you know.
Yeah.
It's been around the block and back a couple times. But
Yeah,
just
dude.
need to get it refinished. Once I get it refinished, it'll be a lot better.
Yeah, I'm definitely thinking about doing that, but those are expensive.
Yeah,
The
brother.
light up steering wheels.
I got lucky. It came factory with the car, so.
Oh, okay.
Back to that, I mean, that's pretty much it.
And what wheels were these?
They're a German company called Moore. Come here to see it again. Excuse the car. Super
Oh, there
dirty.
we go. There we now we can see it.
More. They're 19 by 11 in the rear with 305/30 Nitto,
Damn,
and
thick boy.
19 by 10 in the front. And I forgot the
Yeah,
opposite,
man.
but
I mean,
boys.
it's good, man. Because
it's nice.
if you go any wider in the rear, you're gonna definitely like rub for sure.
For sure, yeah.
But yeah, his
I think,
fitment is really good.
Eventually go with like an R888 later on down the road.
You know what?
But
That's
I
what
want
I
to go
was.
down to 18, so I'd have to go down to 18.
Okay, because I was thinking about getting some too, but they say they don't last that long. But for the price,
Yeah.
like I wouldn't mind running them for a little bit, especially because right now, since I'm now stage 2.
Spinning, huh?
Yeah.
Like crazy.
Yeah. So now I definitely need to get some. So I'm looking at those too.
Yeah, definitely. I definitely recommend it. I had those on my Evo, but again, it was all-wheel drive.
Okay.
But, I mean, the 555s do all right. Not too bad. I mean,
Dude, 305s, that's
yeah,
ridiculous,
I tried the 285, didn't work. 295, and I'm at 305, and it still spins, but does a lot better now. So
yeah,
pretty much the same stuff you have to done to yours. I mean, it's gonna be a stage 2.
yeah. I definitely need to do all the like little maintenance stuff though, like charge pipes and the crank hub.
Oh, yeah, no, crank hub's definitely a must, bro.
Crank hub, I know.
Are you gonna go with like pure turbos or Kratos or anything later on?
I don't know. We'll see. We'll see. I mean, if I can make good power from, because I know there's a lot of cars that make good power stock with stock turbos. We'll see.
Yeah, one of my buddies in AZ, he's making close to 600 wheel horsepower, just full bolt ons, but he has a custom tune through F80 Paul.
Oh, okay.
So it's a little over 600 wheel, or 600 wheel, I think. But yeah, these things boogie, bro.
Yeah. So I got to tell you guys something right now too, because I ended up going stage 2. Which I'm gonna show you guys right now, the power difference, and hopefully get some friends' reactions. But definitely worth it. Went catless downpipes, done by JPEG. Sorry John, I lost all the footage. I know we were in your shop, but hey, I'm gonna try and show you guys what it can actually do now. It's so much faster, and I definitely need to buy new tires now. But Carlos's car is giving me a lot of motivation to continue to mod the car. I need to do the intakes, crank hub. Carlos has done his, so he's safe. I, on the other hand, need to kind of be careful with everything. But yeah, hope you guys like Carlos's car. Drove all the way from Arizona. So the car is solid. Made it all the way over here, and some of the boys are here, so we're gonna go ahead and take a cruise to the beach. Hopefully, you guys enjoy the scenic views. If you guys are down, man, we're gonna make a little cruise right now.
Let's do it.
Yeah.
I swear, we're talking about gas, I gotta be mindful. Within 14 miles.
We all gotta fill up because I gotta get gas right now too. But
I'll put like $5 in.
yeah.
I got $5 worth. Where can that take me?
Well, you go down the street. Yeah, it's been like 2 years now. I've been trying to get Francis to come hang out.
Because I first started doing cool. I just started doing cool stuff.
I swear, bro.
It's
I started doing cool stuff, dude.
It's a Mola, right?
No, it's Melbourne.
Melbourne? Okay, sick.
Yeah, dude, I love his car, man. That red is so nice.
So dope, bro. Are those the Alpine wheels?
Yes, sir.
Alpina or Alpine or Alpina? Alpinas, yeah. Sick, bro.
Yeah, bro, his car is so nice. Sheesh.
Well, you guys need to head out to pit over to Arizona with me, bro.
And my cousin lives out there, so.
Oh, really? Where at?
Phoenix.
This is Francis' car.
Not too far off from me, yeah.
V8 boy. Got some Alpina wheels on here. He is running some spacers to make them pretty flush. So it looks really, really good. His fitment is really good. Really digging his fitment. It's got the color matched trunk spoiler. Very clean, very clean.
Yeah, so when I sell it, I'm going to be like, I have it to do it. Hopefully
Brand new, yeah.
Hopefully they don't like look up.
Everyone's ready to go. We are gonna go ahead and get a fill up at Shell and make a cruise to the beach. So hopefully you guys enjoy. Ourselves a really dope squad today. Let's go. Super hyped when all the boys can always kick it. Whew. You already know, before any trip you better fill up. We have to with these cars. Everybody's cars looking so sick. Loving our lineup. Everybody is just breaking their necks with us on the streets. Alright, so we're actually gonna make a trip up to Santa Monica. It's probably the closest beach to us right here, so we're gonna go ahead and do that. Woo! This lineup though, let's go. It's so loud. out here finally made it to Santa Monica. Luckily got some parking together. Okay, baby?
Yeah, baby.
We out here.
I'm just hungry, you know.
I'm hungry, yeah. You're always hungry. We out here. Let's go. Show on Carlos, Santa Monica. 3rd Street Promenade. You guys know the vibes. Beautiful day today, nice and cool.
We have like a nature market over there. Fire, bro.
Damn.
Synagogue.
Fire. We out here.
With the egg and stuff. I'm right now. Bro,
We out here at Barney's Beanery.
Let me channel in a burger.
Waiting for our food though. But hey, if you're watching, cheers.
Even that? I like your plate too.
Yeah, that's him.
You get no napkins, huh?
Speaking of Francis, bro. Dude, it's cold. The one by us has no propane. He's finishing his beer over there. It'd be funny if there was like a family there, like still eating. Woo. You guys know the vibes. It's freaking cold. Super cold. Done eating. About to head back to the cars.
Mark, stop flexing.
And
Why is he pumping up his chest? Why are you flexing, Mark?
What do you mean?
I don't know where his chest.
Bro, it's just a jacket, bro. It's just a jacket.
No one's flexing, bro.
Had a good time out here. I will be making another whole video of the stage 2. I'm gonna try and get some of my friends and family's reactions. Sitting passenger in the car, so hopefully you guys stay tuned for that next video.
Like no mileage.
Rare sight right there. All is Pharaoh. It was a
brother.
pleasure meeting you, bro. Hell yeah.
We'll have to hang out later.
Yeah, we'll keep in touch. We'll keep in touch for sure. You guys take care. Lil Man. I'll see you next time, all right?
We'll hang on next time.
Yeah, we'll definitely have to link up.
Let me know.
Yes, definitely. Definitely.
I'll probably follow you back.
Yeah. For sure. Oh!
Take care.
Let's go, baby. All right, you guys. Thank you for tuning in. Please like and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.